Hey everyone, I am Latasha the Stylist and welcome to my channel. Today I will be demonstrating tree braids. So let's begin. The hair I will be using is the Kima braid in the Ripple Deep 14 inches. And here I have the African shea butter, which I will apply to her scalp, and here and there I will apply it to her hair as well. It is very good for the hair and the skin. I decided to go with the small to medium tree braids so the hair can be full but not too full since she is a child. So this will be crochet hair, and I showed y'all the pictures of the hair, and I only used 2 packs. And as you see, I am now separating each individual piece, and for each braid I will use 3 individual pieces, and I will break each piece down to around 4 to 5 pieces. I must admit, tree braiding is more for the advanced, but hopefully I can explain this process to you very thoroughly to where even a beginner that knows how to braid but is interested in tree braiding can still get the hang of it and practice to make perfect. The only difference between the two really is that once you feed in the extension hair, the goal then is to remove the extension hair as soon as possible as you continue braiding, which can become very tricky based on the extension hair is now intertwined with the person's natural hair. But trust the process, because the opportunity to remove the extension hair will come about very quickly. And another thing, make sure you have between 3 and 4 clips handy. As for me personally, they're mandatory. And more into this video, you will see how I am working right to left, meaning I will always clip the loose extension hair to the right side of my client's head to keep it totally out of the way. But if you choose to work left to right, that's perfectly fine too. It's really your preference. So with all of that being said, continue the process all the way past the client's natural hair. Once you reach the ends of your client's natural hair, you will then braid about 2 inches, just regular braid. You don't have to leave no hair out. Just 2 inches past her natural hair, and tie it off and begin the next braid. So now that I have walked you through the process, I am now going to let you watch the process. So here we are at the end of this tutorial, and as you can see, tree braids, they are time consuming, but well worth the look in the end. So here is the final look. Now, I did my best to explain this process as thoroughly as possible. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask. That's what I'm here for. And I would love for y'all to stay tuned for next Thursday on this final look right here, as you see. So stay tuned for part 2. And if you have not yet subscribed, liked, or even shared, please do so now. Again, I am Latasha the Stylist, and thank you all for watching.